Welcome to the world of credit repair mastery. If you've been struggling with bad credit and are ready to take control of your financial future, then this video is for you. In this comprehensive guide, we will share strategies and techniques that will help you effectively repair your credit and improve your financial standing. Understanding credit repair. Before diving into the strategies and techniques of credit repair, it's essential to understand what credit repair means. Credit repair refers to the process of improving your credit score by addressing and resolving issues that may be negatively impacting it. These issues can range from late payments and high credit utilization to errors on your credit report. Why is credit repair important? Having good credit is crucial for various reasons. It affects your ability to get approved for loans, credit cards, or even rental applications. A better credit score can also result in lower interest rates, saving you money in the long run. Therefore, credit repair is essential for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and achieve their goals. Common credit repair myths debunked. Before we delve into the strategies, let's debunk some common credit repair myths that might be holding you back. One myth is that you need to hire a professional credit repair company to improve your credit. While these companies can be helpful, there's a lot you can do on your own with the right knowledge and tools. Another myth is that closing old accounts will improve your credit score. In reality, closing old accounts can sometimes hurt your credit score by reducing the average age of your accounts and increasing your credit utilization ratio. Understanding these myths will help you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls along your credit repair journey. Steps to improve your credit score. Now that we have a clear understanding of credit repair, let's explore the steps you can take to improve your credit score. The first step is to review your credit reports from all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Carefully examine each report for errors, such as incorrect personal information or accounts that don't belong to you. Once you've identified any errors, you can dispute them with the credit bureaus. This involves submitting a formal dispute letter and providing supporting documentation to prove that the information is inaccurate. The credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate your dispute and either correct the error or provide a valid explanation for not doing so. Creating a personalized credit repair plan. Repairing your credit requires a personalized plan tailored to your specific circumstances. Start by establishing a budget to manage your finances effectively. This will help you prioritize debt repayments and ensure that you're not overspending. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your income, expenses, and savings goals. Next, focus on paying off any outstanding debts. Start with the accounts that have the highest interest rates or are closest to being paid off. Making consistent, on-time payments will demonstrate your reliability to creditors and positively impact your credit score over time. Effective strategies for disputing errors on your credit report. Disputing errors on your credit report is a crucial step in the credit repair process. When disputing errors, it's essential to provide clear and concise information to support your claim. Gather any relevant documentation, such as payment receipts or correspondence with creditors, to strengthen your case. Craft a well-written dispute letter that clearly outlines the errors and provides supporting evidence. State that you are requesting an investigation and removal of the inaccurate information from your credit report. Send the letter via certified mail with a return receipt requested to ensure proof of delivery. The role of credit utilization in credit repair. Credit utilization refers to the percentage of your available credit that you are currently using. It is a significant factor in determining your credit score. To improve your credit score, aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. If your credit utilization is too high, consider strategies to reduce it, such as paying down balances or increasing your credit limits. It's important to note that closing unused credit accounts may negatively impact your credit utilization ratio. Instead, focus on paying down balances and using credit responsibly to maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio and improve your credit score. Building positive credit history and managing debt. In addition to disputing errors and managing credit utilization, building positive credit history and managing debt are essential aspects of credit repair. To build positive credit history, consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card account or applying for a secured credit card. Managing your debt effectively involves making consistent, on-time payments and keeping your debt-to-income ratio in check. Avoid taking on more debt than you can handle and focus on paying off existing debts to improve your credit score and financial well-being. The impact of credit repair on financial goals. Repairing your credit goes beyond just improving your credit score. It has a significant impact on your ability to achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to buy a home, start a business, or secure a loan, having good credit will open doors and provide you with more opportunities. By taking control of your credit repair journey, you can set yourself on a path towards financial freedom and stability. It may require time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Conclusion: taking control of your credit future. In conclusion, credit repair is a vital step towards improving your financial standing and achieving your goals. By understanding the strategies and techniques outlined in this video, you can take control of your credit future and set yourself up for success. Remember, credit repair is a journey, and it requires patience, persistence, and discipline. Stay committed to your personalized credit repair plan, monitor your progress, and celebrate each milestone along the way. With determination and the right strategies, you can transform your credit history and unlock the doors to financial freedom. So, take the first step today and embark on your credit repair mastery journey.